Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
On a roadside, kids were playing cricket. Suddenly, the ball hit the urn. A boy felt unhappy when his urn broke. Near a girl, under an umbrella, was passing. Cricket with friends is fun.
Dear students, let's meet with the new alphabet U. Its phoneme is umbrella, up, unhappy, earn, umpire, under. Dear kids, what is an umbrella used for? How does the umbrella help us on sunny days?
See you in the next lesson.